Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian delicious beef suya. Continue watching. Soak the skewer in water. To make this Nigerian suya, I want to combine together all the spices that I'll be using. I have salt, so I'll be crushing the stock cube into the salt. I'll be adding a teaspoon of chili pepper. This is optional, you can skip this. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder. We'll mix all the seasoning together and set aside. I'll be using beef which I've already cut into a thin size. So I'll add the beef into a bowl. I like to season the beef, so I'll add the seasoning. Mix to combine, making sure that all the seasoning touches all the meat. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some of the suya spice. I will also mix it again to combine. Then cover and set aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Marinating the beef, I'll add some of the suya spice on a pan. Thread the beef onto a pre-soaked skewer. Repeat the same process until you are done threading all the beef. Dip or rub the suya spice all over the meat, making sure that it is well coated. I will place it on the oven rack. Continue with the same process until you are done. In the bowl, I mixed the suya spice and oil. You can use any oil of your choice. If you have groundnut oil, that will be very good. A kitchen brush, apply the oil mixture on the beef. This will help the suya spice to be well coated. When I'm done applying the mixture, I'll put into a preheated oven and allow it to roast for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, bring out the suya. Then flip it over to the other side. You can also brush it with the oil. Then put back into the oven. The beef suya is ready and it tastes so delicious. You can garnish it with cucumber, onion, tomatoes. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.